Okay, long overdue update on our hydrogen test bed, which we have pretty much all completed today. We've still got some plumbing to do on the fuel line, which is down there, and also the hydrogen line, which is there. Battery down there for starting it. The multimeter's not incorporated with the system. Just to have a look at a little something here. We have our amp gauge, our hydrogen on and off, our battery recharging system on and off. We have our flow gauge, which has been calibrated for HHO. Of course we have our bubbler tube, nice big long one. Our tank, I'm yet to mount the cell itself. That of course is compliments of Daryl. Beautiful cell. So we're pretty much ready to go. Our start button, of course, our stop button, and our little knob there goes to this dirty great big resistor. So we're almost ready to go now. I'm going to have another look at this little setup here. Like I said, this is one big single coil around this E-core, which goes to this. It's a solenoid, but we can't really work out as to how it comes on, and I believe it has something to do with this, which I believe is a capacitor. Of course, once the engine starts and we wind the current up, that clicks on and sends the power through, but it only has a positive in and a positive out. There's no ground, so I'm guessing that's this cap there that's actually having something to do with it pull on, and that's the only thing I can get a reading on. It's not a diode either way. Now ohms resistance is going down 13.9 megohms. But if I put it onto the capacitor, 15.56 nanofarads. 15.6, and that's the only thing I can get a reading on, so I'm guessing it's a very high current, small value cap. Has something to do with switching the current on, or applying the current to this, so as it actually pulls down and engages. So, but that's where we're at the moment. We're pretty much all set up to go. We'll be up and running tomorrow. Give it our first run, see how we go. And of course with this tube here is our fuel tube, so we can time the run between having the HHO system on and the HHO system off. So that's pretty much all it. Got all the new shelving up, all my stuff packed away nice and neatly now, instead of spread all over the place. And of course our workbench down there where the transformer build's happening. But this was just an update on this system so far. So we'll see you first run.